going as fast as I can.
Sorry, I'm just so excited. Can I help you get down sooner?
Really? That'd be great. Can you take this big bulb over to Vickerstown Lighthouse?
No problem.
Thanks, Thomas. Switch on 1, 2, 3.
Great. See you at the docks in a little bit.
Great. Oh, and don't use the shortcut through Crumble Canyon. It's supposed to be really windy and crumbly today.
Crumble Canyon. Got it.
Thanks, Thomas. I thought Percy was delivering the light bulb today.
He was. I'm just helping him out so he can meet the rest of us at the docks when the telescope gets here. That's Bulstrode. He's got the telescope. You got this, Carly?
Yes,
Great! I gotta get to the dock. See ya!
Thomas!
I can't wait to see that telescope. I know. I'll take a shortcut through Crumble Canyon. What did Percy say about Crumble Canyon again? Something about it being windy? Whoa! And crumbly? Hey guys, is the telescope here yet?
Not yet. Bulstrode should be here any. Thomas, what happened?
What do you mean?
Thomas, I told you not to cut through Crumble Canyon.
So that's what you said. I knew it was something like that.
You look terrible. Like, really terrible.
Huh? I just got a little dinged up. No biggie.
Thomas, what on earth? You have to get to Tidmouth right now.
Right now? But I want to see the new telescope.
No buts. You have to get repainted immediately. You don't want to rust, do you?
Rust?
I'm so glad you came to see me. You've got a bad case of the scrapes.
Aww. I can't believe I'm going to miss Cranky unloading the new telescope.
Scratches and dings do turn to rust if you don't fix them, Thomas.
And you don't want rust, Thomas. Rust is the worst. I hear it's super itchy and scratchy and really uncomfortable.
Oh, it is. You should be fine, Thomas. See? Got you all fixed up with a fresh new coat of paint. Good as new.
I do have the best ideas. But how do we send down the ingredients safely?
Add a little butter to make it all glide. Then the eggs and milk are next to...
Wait!
What?
They'll get smushed. Everything down there will look like... me.
Great thinking, Percy. Sacks go first to make a comfy ride.
Then the eggs and milk can do the bake-in slide.
Yeah! We got everything down.
Not everything. We still have to get down there.
Right. I think we have to slide down too. It's a little like tracks, right? Nice and slow.
Nice and slow. Why can't this be over easy? Why aren't we going slow?
We got butter on our wheels!
Oh, Thomas! What do I do?
On three, get out of the way. 1, 2, 3.
Phew! That was exhilarating. Oh, hello, James. What brings you to these parts?
He's helping me look for you two. You're late, and you're never late.
Not just late, a mess!
What happened? There's not enough ingredients left for the bakers to make their own desserts.
The bake-off.
Is ruined.
Sir Topham, what you just said gave me a really great idea about how to fix this mess. Have a bake-in.
What's a bake-in?
Well, in a bake-off, everyone is competing by making lots of cakes, but at a bake-in, they all work together cake.
Yeah, that way they can finish the cake together no matter what happens.
One big cake. Not a bad idea.
I don't like it. I love it! The Vicarstown Bake-In will be a yearly event.
Sweet. See what I did there? Sweet cake, sweet.
Well, don't just stand there. Let's get this stuff to town. Ladies, gentlemen, and trains, introducing our very first Bake-In cake. There were some mistakes that brought us here, but I thank you all for your teamwork and for your creative and festive solution.
Thomas, your bake-in is a big hit. Great idea.
Come on!
Our passengers have never seen anything like this before.
Awesome.
We're almost to the seashore. No more dark tunnels.
Nope, nothing but beautiful scenic countryside.
Huh? The bridge is up.
And no electricity to bring it down.
What will we do? Kana, dear, can you do something?
Kana, are you able to connect to the bridge like you did to the tunnel?
Electric idea. Let's find out. I can plug in and power the bridge. No power, no problem.
Is something wrong?
The bridge is down, but now so is my battery. I'm out of power. It's okay. Go on to Vicarstown. I'll be fine.
Grab on, Kana. Everything's connected, right? Now you're connected to me, and I'm going to Vicarstown.
Way to go, Percy! On the left is the Vicarstown Lighthouse. It's dark right now, but when it's lit up, it's...
Spectacular!
Incredible!
Just beautiful. Thank you. We definitely got our scenic route as promised, Thomas.
Well, the electricity is all connected, but so are we. We all did it together.
Yep.
I'm sure this tour will be the highlight of their visit. Oh, Annie, I made a pun. Oh, you did. Good one, Clary.
Hi there. I'm all charged up and ready to go.
Come on, why don't we all connect for the ride home?
Hook me in.
I'll lead the way. Electric.
Going to the beach where the seagulls play,
And I'm going to see a new beach today.
a salt air breeze so beautiful to me. We're going to the beach at... Whoa! I've never seen that drawbridge before.
You haven't? But this is your shortcut. Did we take a wrong turn?
No, it's probably just new.
It doesn't look that new to me.
Anyway, come on. We've got to slide down it at least once. Whee! Chug-choo! I love drawbridges. You try it.
Okay.
Whee!
You're right, Thomas. Drawbridges rock.
To the beach.
Hey, those are the mountains for my route. They're really far away.
Good thing we're like taking a shortcut.
Well, it's definitely a beautiful shortcut. Ribbit. Huh? You didn't tell me about this pink water tower.
A pink water tower?
What a great surprise! Hi, Cow. I'm Nia. I love your sports. Wanna dance?
I don't remember passing the farm last time. Hey, Nia, maybe we should keep moving.
Right. I can rock out with Miss Cow another time. Bye, Cow. Bye, Pink Water Tower.
I think this is the right way. Hey, I found the edge of the forest. Come on! Phew. Oh no!
Hang on. Isn't that the Pink Water Tower I just said goodbye to?
No. The other one was more pink.
Really? Because I'm pretty sure that's the same cow too.
Percy? There's no more flags inside your mail car.
No more flags? But I can't do my piston pop in the parade without one.
Maybe we dropped it on the way? We'll just have to backtrack along Percy's mail route. It's got to be there somewhere.
Then I'm coming with you.
I'll head to the parade and save us all a good spot. See you all soon.
Great. Let's go.
Checked with everyone on your mail checklist on the way here.
Then it's got to be somewhere here.
Let's look around. 2 if you see something orange.
Not over here.
Not here either.
Did you find it, Percy?
Sorry. I thought I saw it, but it was just the side of Nia.
Where could it be?
There it is. Oh, no. I got it!
Diesel!
Wait! Come back! He can't hear us! We've got to stop him. He's got my flag!
Huh? Wait! Diesel! Oh, so you want to play? Can't catch me! Woohoo! Oh no! He thinks we're playing train tag!
Diesel, wait! You don't understand! Diesel's heading for that tunnel! Where did Diesel go?
Look! Over there! They're good.
He's good.
But we're better.
Diesel, stop!
Never! Told you can't catch me.
That away! Follow that flag!
Hey, where are you going? Guess I won.
I guess delivering the sailboat to the farm wasn't a total disaster.
Yeah, the cows sure do like it.
Sorry, guys. You're gonna have to move.
So before we went to the farm, we hit the rough tracks and had to slow down.
Good catch. Let's go fast. And by fast, I mean slow.
Backwards day! Not so bad if you go slow.
Yeah, I mean, no. Busted bolts. The switch is still set to take us back the long way.
Then we have to flip the switch so we can stay on the main line.
How are we going to do that backwards? And with a tree on your track?
I've got an idea. Got it! Now for the switch.
Wow, that was totally awesome.
Now we're track on back.
Backwards day! Yeah!
Just in time for the sunset cruise. Now, where are the cows?
Come on, guys. Let's move.
All off board, cows.
Home on the range.
Well, looks like you fixed everything. Bad job. By which I mean good job, of course, because it's a backwards day. Well, I suppose you can have fun and work at the same time, hmm?
Oh, I'm glad we got everything fixed. But I'm also glad backwards day is over. Oh, I'm beat.
Me too. Good morning, Thomas.
Good morning, Percy.
Backwards day.
Wow, the old mine is even older and minier than I thought it would be. And darker. And scarier. That's right, I've got Percy's lucky bell. With this bell by my side, nothing can go wrong. Let's do this. That was close. What? Huh? So close. All right. Whoa! Phew. There's the platform. I made it. Thomas! Maybe it doesn't have a bottom. I did it! I made it through the mine! And it was all because of Percy's lucky bell. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. I don't need to feel afraid, won't bend or break or fall, because I've got a special bell that takes care of it all. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Caves, monsters or broken track, I think I'll be okay. This lucky bell sure has a knack for saving every day. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Percy gave this bell to me. I'm lucky he's my friend, so I'll take care of Percy's bell until the very end. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with... Uh-oh. Phew. Oh no! Percy's bell! Thomas promised Percy I would be really careful with this bell. But I wasn't. What am I gonna do? Just tell Percy the truth, and I'm sure everything will be fine. Huh? Hope that doesn't mean my luck is changing. Easy, Wheels. Easy. Whoa! I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me.
Harold, Thomas and Percy. Hello, chaps. Over.
Harold! Harold the helicopter? Wow, it's so cool to see you.
Roger that. Right back at you. Over.
First Mate Percy, we're coming to a fork in the ocean. Let's go left towards the cows.
I think he really wants you to look at those cows.
Uh-huh, yes. Thomas and I are delivering a submarine.
The left fork. We're going towards the cows.
They are nice cows. Well, I've got a delivery at the docks. Over and out.
Bye, Harold. See you soon. Aw, he can't hear me over his rotors.
Huh? Percy? Ow! Are you okay, Percy?
Sorry, Captain. Couldn't hear you over Harold's rotors.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you either. His rotors are loud. Harold is amazing, though.
Absolutely. But we need a way to communicate so we'll understand each other if it gets loud again.
Even if it's loud, our whistles are louder. How's this? 1 peep will mean yes, and 2 will mean no.
Great.
And 1 long peep or toot for faster, and 2 for slower.
Right. Got it.
And 4 quick blasts if you want to get super fast, and a blast and a half if you want to go, like, a little bit faster, and also 3 quick peeps if you want to stop, and then, if you want to go again, then...
That's a lot to remember.
So, you good?
Well...
Great! Let's get back on track. First Mate Percy, let's go fast through that tunnel. 1 long peep.
Okay, that was 1 long peep. That means go faster.
He understood me. Okay, let's do this. The bridge is up. We need to stop. That's 3 peeps.
Huh? What do 12 peeps mean?
Oh no! Maybe Percy can't hear me on the other side of the mountain. I gotta try something else. Oh!
Huh? Oh, fun! Thomas sent up a stop signal. A stop signal? Stop!
Phew.
Dum-de-dee-dee-dum. Another quiet day on the river, eh, Thomas? So quiet.
Any minute now.
Do you see him yet? Not yet. Hey guys! Did any of you see that the crossing arms? Hold on, Thomas. He should be here any minute. Huh? All right! Young Bao is coming today. He's coming for the fireworks show tonight. I can't wait to see him.
And that cool tiger painted on his side.
And hear his whistle that sounds like a tiger. Just like that. That must be him.
Avast landlubbers. There's a passenger on board who seems to be eager to see you.
Electric! Yeah!
Roar!
Young Bao!
Hey everyone! I'm so happy to be back with you all in Sodor. And I brought a surprise for the fireworks show tonight. All the way from China.
Cool!
That's awesome! But can you tell us again how you earned your totally cool and sort of scary tiger decal, please?
Oh, it wasn't such a big deal. I was just trying to help out.
Please, with Axel Grease on top.
Okay. It was for the time I rescued Annie and Clarabelle.
Annie and Clarabelle?
I thought you rescued an engine from an ice cliff with a snowplow.
No, James is pulling Annie and Clarabelle this way, but the crossing arm is stopped, and they don't see Gordon coming. We have to stop them.
Oh, yeah. Guys, I was trying to say before.
Gordon! Gordon! Huh?
Great gears! Whew, thank you, young Bao. Nicely done.
Thank you, young Bao.
So electric!
How brave.
What's wrong, Thomas?
Well, I should have been the one to have saved the day. I saw the crossing arm was stuck, and I was going to tell someone, but...
Young Bao is our hero.
Did you see that?
Oh, yes.
So you had a chance to be brave and missed it?
Yeah, I wish I could have shown young Bao how brave I really am.
Well, you may not be the bravest engine on Sodor, but you did get to see young Bao bravely leap to the rescue.
Well, I would have too.
You really are the bravest engine. Well, we better get to our delivery so we don't miss the fireworks tonight.
Bye. See you later.
We were just chasing a rainbow.
Yeah, every time we get close, it runs away.
Wait, did this rainbow have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet colours?
Have you seen it?
Well then, you're closer than you think.
There it is! Come on, let's go see what's at the end of that rainbow.
What is at the end of a rainbow? Maybe it's a huge bushel of whistles. Hey, wait for me!
Woohoo! Nothing can stop us now. Wow! I've never seen that mountain before.
Yeah, I can see the rainbow, but I don't see a way up the mountain.
These tracks just go around the mountain, not up.
It's hopeless. Without tracks to the top, we'll never reach the rainbow. It's impossible.
What's impossible?
There's a rainbow up there that we're trying to catch.
Cool. It looks like we could get to that track from behind those bushes.
You found the secret entrance.
I did? I did.
But how do we get over there? The tracks are broken.
Don't worry. One rainbow railway coming right up.
Have no fear, Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clap clap here,
And snap snap there.
here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clap snap.
Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing.
Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clap snap. Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly.
Yeah,
Thanks, Sandy. Wow. Come on, everyone. Full steam ahead.
What's at the end of the rainbow? Hey! It's gonna be a great surprise. What's at the end of the rainbow's bend? You won't believe your eyes. Hey! It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be?
The end of the rainbow. Ooh. Look at the clouds.
Awesome!
My eyes spy something black and white.
Is it a cow?
Moo betcha. Your turn.
My eye spies something silver and super twisty.
Is it those twisty twirly tracks? Uh-oh. Twisty twirly tracks? Won't those be difficult to cross with our colossal cargo?
There'll be a breeze if we do it together.
A little bumpy there.
Good thing this team is going slow.
Hey, Percy, I want to play too. My I spy. Whoa,
Wow, those tracks were chugga too fun.
And you were right. It was a breeze when we took it nice and slow.
Wait up! Slow down! I don't think they heard us. I mean you! Whoa! Rusty rail spikes! Whoa! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Whoa! Phew, that was a close one.
Yeah, and it was kind of exciting too. Though, we should be more careful if we want to get this cottage delivered in one piece.
Yeah, you're right. I was thinking more about Percy's My I Spy game.
My I spy.
Which we can catch if we cut through that tunnel. Come on!
I just don't get what the big deal is. Why can't we play our own game of My I Spy? Here, I'll start. My I Spy something black and white.
Is it... that skunk?
Skunk!
Such big stink in such a little skunk. But you should see your face right now.
My face? You look like you've seen a green ghost.
Come on, we still have time to catch up to Percy.
Hey, Thomas!
Hi.
You didn't peep in the tunnel. Are you okay?
Gordon doesn't want me peeping on this delivery. But listen to this.
That's great! And you can totally still get the job done and peep at the same time.
I know. It's like he won't let me have fun my own way.
Kind of like the obstacle course this morning.
Oh, that's why everyone left. You're scared of this big hill,
Yes, I know.
so going over it isn't fun for you.
Yes, I know.
Which means you didn't like my loop-de-loop because it's like a big hill.
Yes, I know.
So the super-duper loop-de-looper probably felt super-duper...
Luke the lousy.
Oh, Percy, I didn't mean to make you feel that way.
It wasn't just me.
Huh?
See you, Thomas.
Percy, wait!
You can do it. You can do it.
Hey, Kana.
I really need to focus right now. These curves are tricky for me.
Oh, right. Like in the zigzag zone. Those curves must have been really tricky for you, too.
Yeah.
Hey, Kana, I'm really...
Bye, Thomas.
sorry.
Wait.
Told you mud was awesome. It does feel kind of good on my gears. Oh, that's why you kept jumping in the mud instead of over it. Huh? Now I know what I did wrong. I made the best rules for me, but everyone has their own ways of having fun. I know how to get things back on track. Hey, everyone! I've got a big surprise for you at the obstacle course. Come check it out.
I gotta brush my smokestack.
Yeah, and I gotta go recharge.
Pretty please with a tube of axle grease on top.
All right, Thomas, let's go see the surprise.
Ta-da! The new, improved, extra, super awesome obstacle course. I realized you guys needed to do things your own way, so I made a new course with something special for everyone. Go check it out. Like the new Zoom Zoom Zone?
It's electric.
take a shortcut. Then I'll definitely get there on time.
Oh no! He's headed right for Crumble Canyon with all those bumps.
Jumbo could pop out any second. Come on, we've got to catch up to him.
Can't be that. Whoa! I don't have time to slow down for all these bumps. But I also could break my car.
Phew! He's slowing down.
Yeah, but Thomas, we aren't.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Diesel, wait up.
What are you two doing here?
There was a mix-up with your delivery.
You took Jumbo by mistake.
Jumbo?
Yeah, that car's gonna explode. Confetti everywhere.
Confetti? Oh, I get it. More jokes, right? Yeah, okay, ha ha.
No, this isn't a joke. We're trying to help you. This is your delivery.
Like I'm gonna fall for that. Now, if you want to help me, just let me do my job.
He didn't believe us.
Even if he gets there on time, it won't matter if he has the wrong delivery. What are we gonna do?
I'll tell you what we're not gonna do. We're not gonna give up.
Nothing's gonna stop me this time. Oh, no, you don't. Nice try. Brendan Docks. Nothing and no one is going to stop me from getting this delivery on time. But just to make sure those jokesters don't try to slow us down with their funny business.
Where did Diesel go?
Down there!
He switched tracks on us again.
And he's almost at Brendan Docks. When he arrives with Jumbo, his delivery dreams are gonna blow up.
Let the mystery begin.
Someone sent me a gift. Cool. Open it! Open it! Open it! A pole? Wonder what it does.
Maybe it's a giant toothpick.
Or a big back scratcher. Who do you think it's from?
Check the gift tag.
To solve the mystery of what you found, the next clue is hidden underground. That means the pole is just one piece of a bigger puzzle.
And the next piece is somewhere underground. But where?
Look! It came from the old mine, and the mine takes you underground. The next clue must be there. Come on! Let's fast track this.
Wait for us.
Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! Keep an eye out for the next clue.
Who's leaving all these clues?
That's a whole other mystery.
Oh, they are clever.
Sandy, Carly, have you seen a gift for me anywhere? Does it have a big purple bow on it? Yes! Do you mean like that one? There it is! Go open it, Connor! It's a gearbox!
I knew it! Wait, what's a gearbox?
It's the part of the engine that uses power to make things turn.
Maybe it's for a crane.
Or a motorbike. Or a carousel.
Look! There's another gift tag. Maybe there's a clue on that one too.
where something old becomes something new, that's where you'll find the very next clue.
Where something old becomes something new.
Whoever's behind this did not make things easy.
Making it hard to figure out is what makes puzzles fun.
Something old, something new.
Look, this boxcar has a recycling symbol on it.
And you turn old things into new things at a recycling plant.
I got it! We have to go to...
It's recycling plant!
I was gonna say...
Hi, Carly.
Hey, Sandy. Anyone order some new tracks?
Right this way, Locomiga.
Lay the track.
Snap the track. Cross the track. Thanks. Wow, this was a bigger job than I thought. Guess I needed a lot of help after all. Job's not over yet. Now that we're back on track, let's go see that giant sand mountain. Come on, Carly. You don't want to miss it. And who knows if I'll need some more help along the way.
I do have some extra track pieces.
2 whiffs! First thing I'm gonna do when I see that sand mountain is make the sandiest sandcastle ever. How about you?
I'm going to extend my crane to see if it's as tall as me.
I bet it's way taller. What are you gonna do, Thomas? Thomas? Are we there yet?
Almost. Just one mountain away. One steep mountain, that is.
Not the best time for me to be getting hot and tired from hauling this heavy sand. Say no more. I could build you a fan to cool off. Or how about a nice cozy shed for a nap? Or I could read you my favourite bedtime story, the Itsy Bitsy Speeder. That's okay. I think I'm just a little thirsty. That's all.
Look, there's a water tower over there.
I'm on it. Sandy, you'd have to do everything yourself. I already know you're helpful. Don't be silly. I've got it. Come on!
Careful, the water tower is tipping.
Don't worry, almost got it. Sandy, look out! Talk about a splash zone. Well, I'm not thirsty anymore.
And now you have plenty of water to take with you. Problem solved.
But Thomas isn't carrying water, he's hauling sand. Oh no! The water turned the sand into slushy mud. I'm sure the sand will dry by the time we get to Whiffs. Come on! Wait, you can't go up that hill. The sand's gonna spill.
What are we gonna do?
This is all my fault. I was supposed to be the best helper ever, not ruin the delivery. Don't be silly. I couldn't have gotten this far without you. We'll just wait for the sand to dry, right here.
Yeah, we'll just wait.
Hi, James.
Clickety.
Oops, did it again. Hi, Emily. Hey, Diesel. Those rattling pipes are kind of loud.
Clickety.
What'd you say? I can't hear you over these rattling pipes. I said those rattling pipes.
What? Huh?
I've got to get away from this noise. Oh, you want to race? Game on! No, I'm not racing. I'm just trying to get somewhere. Quieter. Can't get away from me, Thomas. We'll see about that. Hey, where are you going? To Brendam Docks. The quiet way. So quiet, so peaceful. So bumpy. And twisty. Whoa, whoa. Phew. Wow! Full steam ahead. steam ahead. Gotta slow down. So loud. Wish I had a brake car.
Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm part of a train. How about you?
They're still asleep? Wow. Well, if all that didn't wake them up, I bet nothing will.
Oh, lunchtime. I could use a spot of tea.
Spoke too soon. Gotta get them out of this rain. Hey, there's a tunnel. Yes. Well, at least it's nice and quiet in here. Huh?
What's that? Noise.
No. Shh, shh, shh. How do I signal back without making a peep? Light. The light is quiet. Hey, Percy.
Hey, Thomas. Why are we whispering?
I'm taking Annie and Clarabelle to the docks while they sleep.
Cool. How's it going?
A little harder than I thought.
Maybe you could use some help from me and my lucky bell.
Absolutely. But don't forget, we have to be super extra quiet.
I'll be as quiet as a mouse.
Connor, what you doing back here?
I don't know what happened. I just suddenly stopped.
Are you out of steam?
I don't use steam. I run on electric power. But my battery is fully charged. Something must be wrong.
What could it be?
I don't know. I'm just super stopped. How will I get my cars to Vickerstown Station if I can't go?
What if I tow your cars and you to Vickerstown?
But what if you aren't fast enough to get us there by sundown?
I may not be as fast as you, but I can still get you there on time. I, Thomas, promise.
Electric. Thanks, Thomas.
Hold on tight. Let's roll.
You okay, Thomas?
A little tougher than I thought. Just gonna give it a little more axle grease.
We're rolling.
Yeah. We're on our way.
Thomas, is there anywhere at all we could go just a little quicker? We're not alone.
Huh?
Thomas, can you please pick up the pace? We do need to get to Harwick, dear. And we need to get there today, love.
Yes, got it. Doing my best.
I thought high-speed engines were supposed to be high speed.
Are we going backwards?
I've never held anyone up before.
Please pick up the pace, Thomas!
Is there anything we can do?
Don't worry, I've got an idea. We're going the back way. It's my secret shortcut.
Thank you, Thomas.
Good luck. Take care, dear.
Don't get lost.
Yeah, don't get lost.
Are you sure this is a shortcut, Thomas?
Don't worry, I Thomas promised I'd get you to Vickerstown before sundown, and that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, if you think we can. Wait!
What is it? What's wrong?
The tracks ahead. They're so hilly and curvy. High-speed engines like me can tip over if we go too fast on curves.
Good thing you're going Thomas speed today. So hold on to your axles and get ready for some fun.
What kind of fun?
I'll show you. Ready?
Maybe?